Welcome to Hallstatt, Austria, a fairy tale village nestled between majestic mountains and a serene lake. This picturesque town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and its beauty, behold the iconic Hallstatt skyline, with charming Alpine houses take in the breathtaking views from the skywalk. It's like standing on the edge of paradise. Wander through the narrow streets of the old town, each corner telling a story of centuries past. Don't miss the historic market square, where vibrant colors and quaint cafes bring the town to life. Experience the Hallstatt salt mines, a fascinating journey into one of the world's oldest salt mines. The 12th century Hallstatt parish church and its serene surroundings are a peaceful capture the beauty of the Darkstein Mountains, providing a dramatic backdrop to Hallstatt's charm truly comes alive in every ripple of water.